Dating back to the year 2000, the Legend Showroom has been identified as one of its kind showroom which provides the best customer service and world-class quality tableware. We ensure to deliver exceptional quality products. We educate our customers the knowledge about our unique products and product range, which ensures us to remain popular among our customers. Over the past 2 decades, we have earned customers' loyalty and trustworthiness, which has brought us a long way forward today. We thrive to hold the superiority of our brand name, The Legend, by providing our customers the best ever service and satisfaction with the highest world-class quality products manufactured in Sri Lanka. We are tied up with world-famous logistics companies that ensure a safe movement of your package is guaranteed during the entire shipping process, whether it be domestic or international. We at The Legend always make sure that our packaging is done by well-trained professionals using the highest quality packaging materials to ensure there is no damage or breakages during the transits of our packages worldwide. The Legend undoubtedly has been trusted by our customers internationally and locally. Take a moment to see our beloved customer reviews on Google. We are looking forward to see you soon again. The Legend, choice of the rich and famous.